To match undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. It's essential to understand that the undeposited funds account serves as a temporary holding place for payments received but not yet deposited into your bank account, ensuring that QuickBooks reconciles with your actual bank deposit. It's crucial to match and clear these deposit funds. The process begins by recording payments to undeposited funds, which involves clicking on the Receive Payment option from the top bar, selecting the customer who sent the payment, choosing the payment method, and setting the Deposit To field to undeposited funds. After filling in the details, including outstanding transactions and memos, click the Save and Close button. The next step is to combine payments into a single deposit. When ready to deposit payments into your bank account, click on the New button. Select the Bank Deposit option. Choose your bank account and select the payments to be deposited, ensuring the total matches the amount on your physical deposit slip. After filling in the details, click the Save and Close button. This process ensures that the combined payment in QuickBooks matches the single deposit entry on your bank statement, simplifying reconciliation. The final step is to match the deposit with your bank transactions. If your bank account is connected to QuickBooks Online and transactions are being downloaded automatically, navigate to the Transaction tab. Click on Bank Transactions, select your bank account, and click on the For Review tab. Locate the bank transaction that corresponds to your deposit. QuickBooks should suggest a match with the deposit you recorded. If the match is correct, click Match to confirm. This step ensures that your bank transactions align with your QuickBooks records, maintaining accurate financial data.